Okay, I'm really supposed to be using a hammer and rebuilding an entire kitchen right now, but I got distracted working in Apple ProRes for the first time. I wanted to go around and shoot some things in the kind of lighting conditions I normally shoot in, which are really bad lighting conditions, usually low light, usually mixed light. Main reason I wanted to do that is that in the past I've always found that when I went to try and do any kind of color correction, it really didn't matter what I did. I would never get anything near what I would consider a natural skin tone. We'll see what that is like today. Just so you know, yes, I do have this record. No, I have not played it yet. Give me time. And this is the area I'm supposed to be working on today. I need to do a little bit more framing because we're going to have some custom cabinets made to fill up this space. It'll be our pantry area. Those of you who have been following along know we've been working on the kitchen for some time. And this is the status of that work at this point.